Well, I know anybody will put their money upon Oblique Seville for win down at Tokyo there. Start worry this morning. Look on the start where the man get. The man get left in the blocks. And look how hard him have to run in the first round. When him finish third, him still make it in the semi-finals still. I believe him run like 9.93. So that was a fast first round. The winner one run what, like 9.87. Him run too fast. Him not make it to the finals. But I believe Oblique Seville will make it to the finals. Remember all season, Oblique Seville mash up the boy in our lives. Look at the lens we're making in our lives. All season. Boy, Oblique Seville, we can't have this a start, yeah? In the semi-finals and in the finals. But I do believe it's a blessing in disguise. Oblique Seville will recover and make it to the finals. See?